Hello guys, I'm welcome to another awesome video. Before I start today's video, I want to apologize in advance for the notifications that will pop up on my screen. Okay, I'm using my very active phone, and I can decide to place it on airplane mode, but I need the internet to show you guys how to create a new pool, okay, or a new pool on FudmartSwap. Okay, a new pool on FudmartSwap. All right, so you guys already know about the swap feature I showed you guys in the last video. So this video is going to be two parts. So the part one is how to create a new pool. Okay, a new pool. Okay, so if you are looking to create a new pool, let's say you want to create Bitcoin BUSD, or maybe Bitcoin BNB, or maybe you want to create Ethereum Bitcoin, or you want to create USDT Bitcoin on FudmartSwap, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. So all you have to do is just make sure you have enough BNB for transaction fee. When creating a pair for the first time, you're likely going to spend between $50 plus or $70 plus. Okay, that's not our fee. That goes to the Binance Smart Chain fee. Binance Smart Chain. Okay, it goes to Binance Smart Chain because we are not the ones creating the pool for you, or we're not the ones doing the work. You are creating it directly on Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, you are creating it directly on Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so make sure you have at least maximum have $70 if you are creating a new pool. Okay, the fee is cheaper if you're adding to an existing pool, which we'll talk on the next video. Okay, so if you want to create a pool, let's say you have a new cryptocurrency project, okay, and you want to create a pool for it. Okay, we ask people to create, well, it's up to you to decide the pair you want to create. Okay, but it's always good to pair with a stable coin. Okay, so but it's up to you to decide if you are looking to create your liquidity pool for your project on FudmartSwap. Okay, so these are the existing pools that have been created by me. Okay, which are the I think these are five. There are about six pools. Okay, the other pool, which is CTP coin, is not created by me. It's created by the CTP coin owner. Okay, so if you want to create liquidity for the first time, the first thing you need to do is click add liquidity. Okay, now if you come to add liquidity, it's going to ask you to add two assets. Okay, and it has to be 50-50. So another thing again is the price of the asset you want to set. Okay, so for example, if you want the price of the asset to start with 0.01 US dollar, then what it will be 0.01 US dollar. What it will, and maybe you have about, or maybe you have about $50. Sorry, you have about $500 BUSD. Okay, what it will mean is that you will have to add 50,000 of your own asset, of the asset of your project. So let me just show you something. Okay, so if you want to create a pair, let's say you want to create a pair between BUSD and your asset, so you select BUSD. Okay, then come and select your asset. So let's say I'm adding which coin should I add? Let's say I'm adding 7up. Okay, let's say I'm adding 7up. You can see this. You are the first liquidity provider for this project. So the ratio of the tokens you add will set the price of the pool. Once you are happy with the rate, click supply to review. Okay, so if I want to set the price to be 0.01 dollars per 7 up, what I will do is I'll make sure I have about $500 in my BNB. Let's say I want to start liquidity with $500. You can do $1 million if you have 1 million BUSD. It all depends on you. Okay, but if you are running on a budget and you have just $500 or even $100, okay, the only thing there is that the size of the pool means the amount of transaction that will go on per transaction. Okay, so if you do 500 and you do this to be 50,000, you can see that the price is now 0.01. Okay, you can see that 107 up per dollar. Okay, now or 0.01 USD per 7 up. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have both assets that you want to add, and you have done your calculation based on the price you want to set before coming to add liquidity pool. Now when you've done that, okay, there are two buttons you will see here. There is approve, okay, and you will see approve. Most times if the two assets you are using has not been approved before, okay, all you have to do is just approve the two of them, and after approving, then it will now ask you to supply the two assets. Once you supply the two assets, a contract address will be created for the two assets you created on FudmartSwap, and the pool tokens will be sent to you. Okay, so when you now click supply, that is when it will now debit that fee. So that's why I say you have to make sure you have about $70. You will not spend up to $70. From my experience, I think I spent about $50 something, okay, or $60 something. Okay, so just make sure you have up to $70 in your BNB balance. Okay, so once you've done that and you've supplied, you have created a market for BUSD. You have created a pool for BUSD and 7up. Now this way, okay, what will happen is that you can now buy, because it's paid to BUSD, you can now buy any coin that is paid to has a pool with BUSD. So which means you can buy CTP coin, you can buy digital naira, you can buy BNB, you can buy FMTB, you can buy TST, you can buy KNG. Okay, so these are the coins that are actively trading on FudmartSwap now. Soon Bitcoin will come in, soon Ethereum will come in, soon Ripple, soon Uni, and so on and so forth. So as we are doing this, okay, as you are doing this, if you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact my number in the description of this video. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video on how to create a pair for the first time, or create a pool for the first time. Okay, the next video I'm going to do is going to be on how to add liquidity to existing pools. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.